Aditi and welcome back to our channel ADITI GS Center. So here we are with our lecture 1 of the physics class 11th. The chapter name is Units and Measurement. So this is the new chapter of the subject physics, and now we will begin with the point, that is 1.1 Introduction. So what is meant by physics exactly we will see in this point, introduction. So physics is a quantitative science where we measure a variety of physical quantities during experiments. तो फिजिक्स जो है ये क्वांटिटेटिव साइंस है जिसे हम कई सारे जो फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ है उसे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के दौरान मापते हैं. सो इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ वी नीड टू मेजर अ वेरियस फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल द साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ लिक्विड्स, body temperature, weights of fruits and vegetables, length of cloth, etc. and many more. तो हमें दिन प्रतिदिन के जीवन में कई सारे फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ को मापना होता है. एज हियर वी सी द एग्जाम्पल नाउ, एंड ऑल्सो द मेजरमेंट ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्व्स अ कंपेरिजन विद द अदर स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट मेजरिंग विच इज इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if we want to measure the unit, if we want to measure means the given fruit, if we want to measure the weight of the given fruit, here it is given that is 1 kg, so we can also write it as the 500 grams. So like such types are the units that has been internationally accepted. तो ऐसे प्रकार के जो यूनिट्स होते हैं उसे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर अपनाया जाता है, तो वैसे प्रकार के यूनिट्स का हम अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सो दिस स्टैंडर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड एज द यूनिट्स. The length of wire is written as phi meter. So we can write it as the meter is the unit. Here we can see meter is the unit of that phi, and phi is the value in that unit. Okay. So here like we can measure various types of the quantities in different types of the units. Similarly, like we can see that the length can be measured in the meter. We can indicate its symbol as m. Similarly, the time can be measured in the seconds, and the mass can be measured in the kilogram, that is kg. So this is about the introduction 1.1 that has been get completed. So now we will see about the 1.2 point, that is system of units. So here are altogether the 4 types of the systems of unit. First one is CGS, means centimeter. First one is the CGS, means centimeter gram second system. Second one is the MKS, means meter kilogram second system. FPS means foot pound second system, and SI is the system international. So these are the first 3 units which are used extensively till recently. तो ये जो 3 यूनिट्स है इसे अभी तक का सबसे ज़्यादा अपनाए जाने वाला यूनिट है. But later than in the year 1971, the 14th International General Conference on the Weights and the Measures recommended to use the SI, that is the System International, and therefore it is named as SI units, and also SI units use the system of the decimal. तो ये जो 3 थे ये पहले से अभी तक हम ज़्यादा प्रमाण पर इस्तेमाल करते थे, लेकिन उसके बाद 1971 में जो इंटरनेशनल जनरल कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी वेट्स और मेजर्स पे, उन्होंने ये रिकमेंड किया, ये सिफारिश की कि ऐसा यूनिट्स, ऐसा सिस्टम इंटरनेशनल का इस्तेमाल किया जाना चाहिए, और तभी से हम इस्तेमाल करते आ रहे हैं, और इसीलिए इन्हें ऐसा यूनिट्स एज ए नेम्ड दिया गया है. और ऐसा यूनिट्स जो है ये डेसिमल सिस्टम का उपयोग करते हैं, दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड टू बी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज अबाउट द 1.2 point that has been get completed. Next one we will see, that is 1.2.1, that is fundamental quantities and units. So the physical quantities which do not depend on any other physical quantities for their measurement are known as fundamental quantities. तो ऐसे प्रकार के जो फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ है, भौतिक मात्राएं हैं जो किसी अन्य भौतिक मात्राओं पर निर्भर नहीं होते, उन्हें कहा जाता है fundamental quantities. So there are altogether the 7 type of fundamental quantities, that is length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. Here are mentioned as above the 7 types of fundamental quantities, and the units used to measure these fundamental quantities are known as fundamental units. तो ऐसे प्रकार के यूनिट्स को फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स एज अ नेम दिया गया है. सो हियर वी विल सी the SI units of this particular 7 fundamental quantities as well as their symbols. So the SI unit of length is meter. We can denote its symbol as m. Next one is mass. So its SI unit is kilogram. That is symbol is kg. And the next one is about the time. So the time SI unit is second. That is S. Symbol is S. Next one is temperature. So the temperature SI unit is Kelvin. And the symbol is K. Electric current SI unit is ampere. Its symbol is A. Next one is luminous intensity. Its SI unit is candela. And its symbol is CD. Last one is amount of substance. Its SI unit is mole. And its symbol is also here mole, not the E one here. So these are our SI units and its symbols of the fundamental quantities. So this is about the point, that is 1.2.1. It has been get completed. So here this is the name of the Kelvin and ampere. So these are the names of the scientists. So if the name of the scientist is given, so we have to denote its symbol in only the capital letter, that is K and A. So next one we will see about the point, that is 1.2.2, that is derived quantities and units. So in the physics we come across a variety of large number of the quantities like speed, momentum, conductivity, resistivity, etc., which depend on some or all the 7 types of the fundamental quantities, and we can express it in the unit of these fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities, and the units of these derived quantities are known as derived units. So this is all about our the 1.2.2 point, that is the derived quantities and units. Its definition we have came to be known. It has been get completed. So this is about the lecture 1 and about the points of the chapter units and measurement has been get completed. Soon we will be with the lecture 2 of this chapter. Thank you. Jai Hind.